government networks have been targeted with a now patch SSL-VPN 0-day. So this also appears to have been exploited in the wild, and the attack looks sophisticated. So these are also primarily targeting FortiOS SSL VPNs in government networks. So this appears to be an attack that's primarily motivated at penetrating government networks, which obviously makes it pretty serious. It is a heap-based overflow weakness, and it's CVE 2022-42475. It has been patched, so it looks like in mid-December it was initially patched, but now it looks like it's been used in the wild, and a private TLP Amber, some sort of Amber Alert for software, was sent out that let customers know that they really needed to update this immediately, but it seems as though this was a highly targeted attack against government networks. So the only clue here was that there was indications that it was compiled in a UTC +8 time zone, which includes Australia, kind of unlikely, China, maybe more likely, Russia, probably likely, and then Singapore, again, who knows? That would be a dark horse. They really specialize here on maintaining persistence and evading detection. They use a lot of very tricky ways of doing that, and that included actually patching the operating system to allow them to modify log files. So they would actually go through, identify log files, go and delete certain strings, and then recompile the logs in order to prevent automated detection from noticing that anything had gone wrong here. And in certain cases, they were also able to just wholesale crash the logging and make it so that it was really difficult to get any logs at all out of a compromised device. So it was so sophisticated that it looked like the researchers were also not able to get some of the more advanced payloads that were downloaded. So this was able to obfuscate the payloads that were being downloaded to the point that the researchers couldn't even see what they were designed to do. So this indicates some extremely sneaky, very targeted, and very powerful malicious software that is specifically designed to not be caught. And this is really when like nation state agencies are using their best stuff, is when they wrap it in all these layers of secrecy and they try to make it so it's not reverse engineered, so it can't be analyzed or traced back to them. So this does not seem like it was done by amateurs. The fact that it was an attack against government networks really makes it suspect that a nation state was involved here. And the level of sophistication was also exceptionally high. So if you are using FortiOS, then make sure to update to prevent this attack because, again, it is being used in the wild and it is incredibly serious.